Guite. It's like a golden chest of tools that lets businesses find just what they're looking for with a touch of magic, no more sifting through mountains of data. Now, imagine you are running a tech company, and you want your internal teams to find the answers they need faster than ever. This is where mastering advanced search features in Azure Cognitive Search steps in like a knight in shining armor. It's not just about diving headfirst into complex systems, it's about making sure every query brings you that treasure you seek. Picture this: our IT department needs to be able to quickly find specific logs or troubleshoot network issues. Advanced search features in Azure Cognitive Search can cut down hours into minutes and find the needle in the data haystack. You won't just see better search capabilities, you'll enable your team to be super efficient and focused on what really matters. You've likely come across search engines or the search bar on a website, but have you ever peeked into the back room where the secrets of data retrieval are stored? It's time to roll up your sleeves and unlock its potential. Azure Cognitive Search is like that clever library that knows every book in the stack. You don't just search, you think. You articulate exactly what you are after, and bam, it spins tales of data, linking you to just what you seek. Let's talk architecture, the skeleton of our tech quest. The Azure Cognitive Search service is designed to be scalable, intelligent, and secure, making it perfect for businesses big and small. Think of it like building an incredible castle, with pillars that hold up every feature and defense to protect the secrets within. With Azure, we create architectures that are as robust as the drawbridges of old, ensuring our queries are fast and our data remains safe. To get started, first, you secure the perimeter with Azure Active Directory or another directory service. Then, you prepare your data. It needs to be well structured, just like the best tales are. Organize data into relevant documents in blobs, queues, or tables. Azure Blob Storage is where we keep our parchments, containing historical scrolls and modern-day tales alike. Azure Service Fabric, a bit like Azure's secret garden, helps keep your data in perfect health. Time to roll up our sleeves and configure our search service. It's like tuning a magical instrument. Every string needs to be in harmony for music to flow. Azure's search SDKs, APIs, and CLI are your instruments, and with them, you compose harmonies in Python, Java, .NET, Node.js, or REST. Think of setting up authentication and indexing as tuning your lute. Then, using Azure Cognitive Search, it's just setting the pitch. And remember, the more we index, the faster we play our tunes. You'll need to specify your schemas. This is where you decide what your data's notes and codes will look like. Azure's built-in schemas are like the standard songs everyone knows, giving you templates to start with. Then comes the custom schemas. It's getting personal, making sure your data has a unique rhythm. Even the best bards hit wrong notes sometimes. Troubleshooting in Azure Cognitive Search isn't about the blues. It's about diving into logs, metrics, and alerts to find the off-key in your data query or indexing process. Understanding what's going wrong isn't a chore, it's a challenge. It's like translating ancient languages to understand hidden meanings. Make sure to know how to navigate those logs. Think of it as knowing the secret handshakes of old libraries. Azure Cognitive Search ensures you are not alone when you face these complexities. Now, let's talk best practices, because no matter how cool your castle is, your castle sits on a shaky foundation if it doesn't follow the rules. Best practices in Azure Cognitive Search ensure that everything sings in key. It's about keeping your indexing processes efficient, maintaining data relevance, and optimizing performance. It's like conducting an orchestra. Every instrument plays its part, and every note contributes to the symphony of your search. Ensuring you are leveraging features like hot-warm routing keeps your data retrieval services nimble. Optimizing indexing strategies and setting appropriate thresholds for when you want to warm up data are like adjusting the tempo of the song to fit the occasion. Always ensure that while you might need all your data to be ready for immediate performance during crunch times, not being able to pull it up immediately impacts the harmony. As our journey comes to a close, let's look back at our Azure quest, conquering the dragon of inefficiency with the sword of advanced search features. We've armed ourselves with better search capabilities, allowing our IT knights to be super efficient in their tasks. Embracing Azure Cognitive Search, we ensure that our treasure of data is always at the ready, only a spell away. And remember, for those of you out there who are still learning this mystical world, keep exploring, keep querying, and always keep searching for those advanced features that make your data and IT adventures a success. For those thirsting for more knowledge and wisdom in Azure's grand halls, subscribe to TechLab.